All right, this video is to help you make deals on your appointments. So let's get started. Let's say the customer wants to buy the Galley Plus 6 set. They want a cherry Galley Plus 6 set. And as you know in the manual, they could get the entertainer pack with the Galley set or the super shears for free. Let's say they wanted the super shears. So we'll put those in the cart and we'll make those free. Look how nice that set looks. So what if the customer says, you know what, Logan? We're only going to buy the Galley Plus 6 set. You said you could give us the super shears. Could you also give us an ice cream scoop for free? You could call your team captain, call your manager and ask, or you could just see for yourself. So how would you see? Well, scroll down to the gadgets, click on the ice cream scoop, add it to the cart, and then make it free. And this thumb right here is green. Right now we're charging them for it. So this says we could do that. If I make it free, it's still green. So if I click on that, I'm good to go. If the thumb is green or orange, you can do that. If it's red, you cannot do that. So you could give all the way up here to 20% for free and still do that. Now be mindful, when you give something for free, it takes off of your CPO. So currently the CPO is $7.47. If I take off the ice cream scoop, it's $7.87. So it went up a little bit because I'm not giving as much for free. So be mindful of that. But that being said, don't be selfish. Give the customer a good deal. If that's what seals the deal, that's a win-win situation. You would want to do that in that scenario. So you can use this little icon to see, give some free stuff and see if it works. Let's say the customer made a custom set and, maybe they're a Cutco owner and they have a bunch of stuff on their custom set. They have a trimmer and they have a spatula spreader and they have a Bar Essentials gift set and they have, a Club Mates gift box and they want a cleaver and they want a can opener and they want the 4-piece garden tool set and they want 2 pairs of super shears. And they want a cheese knife. They want the mini cheese knife. There we go. So you're on that appointment and you're like, how do I make a good deal for them? Well, you could either call your team captain, call your manager, and they could help you make a good deal, or you could just do it on your own. So you're going to use this green thumb. Currently, we're giving 0 things for free, so we can obviously do that. So I'm going to open up the cart. These are all the items the customer wants, and I'm just going to start off with the lowest price item for free and go from there until the thumb turns orange. So the lowest price item is the can opener. Thumb is still green. Then the mini cheese knife. Oh, no, it's not. 75 spatula spreader. Make that. Thumb is still green. Let's make the trimmer free. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. The thumb just turned orange, and we're at 14%. So I could give those 3 things for free. And that's cool because it took it down to $9.16 from $11.38. If the customer's barely on the fence and they said if I drop it a little bit more, they'll buy it. Could I do that? Yeah, I have some wiggle room. So let me see if I can give them one more thing for free. The mini cheese knife. Oh, dang it. So I can't do that. But what I could do is unbonus that and then unbonus the trimmer, which is 76, and make for free maybe something a little bit more than the mini cheese knife. Maybe let's say the 4-piece garden tool set. And that got me, okay, so that's got me to 20%. Wow, that is the best deal I could possibly get them on this. So just messing around with stuff, I would tell them, Mrs. Jones, I got you the best deal I could possibly get you on this. It's normally $11.38. I can get it to you for $8.89. You'd be getting the trimmer, the spatula spreader, yada 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 yada, and on a 5-month payment, it'd only be $180. So you can use the cart to just mess around with stuff, and as long as the thumb's not red, you can give it for free. And realize that your CPO stands for commissions paid on. But if you need to give free stuff to seal the deal, do it. Don't be selfish. It's a win-win situation for you if it helps seal the deal. So hopefully this helps.